dignitaries. Starting with, we'd like to distribute few mementos to our officials. As I call out your names, please come and collect your mementos from the dignitaries. Starting with Yogesh Dabholkar, Rajendra Dabholkar, Siddesh Harmalkar, Sujit Rane. Requesting all four to please come and collect your mementos. Would like to request Sri Shubham Kerkar to please present the mementos to all our officials. Yogesh Dabholkar, excellent umpire, led this panel, followed by Rajendra Dabholkar. Siddesh Harmalkar, next I would like to request Subodh Adfadkar to please do the honors for the scorer, Ayank Kurgaonkar. To please come forward and receive his memento. Had done some scoring as well yesterday, day before yesterday. Come on, Ayank. Big round of applause to Ayank Kurgaonkar. Next, I would like to request Sri Rupesh Desai to please do the honors for the next two awards. YouTube, Live Edge. Any member of Live Edge to please come and collect their memento. Yes, Mohsin, please come and collect the memento on behalf of your entire team from Sri Rupesh Desai. Crystal clear quality of picture. Some excellent videography that we saw from the Live Edge. Followed by, I would like to request Pratik Desai to please do the honors for the commentators. Ashok Naik, sir. Ashok Naik. Radio voice. Brilliant Hindi commentary over the years that we've been listening, and now as well.
Requesting Sham to kindly come on the stage to collect his memento for the English commentary.
Followed by sound, Chari Deco. Would like to request Abhipray Sonkar to please do the honors for sound. Chari Deco. Manthan Shirgaonkar, if you can please come quickly and collect your memento. Excellent sound that we heard. Next we move on to the semi-finalist awards. Tiger Boy Surla, if any member, if available, then please come and collect the trophy. Tiger Boy Surla, I would like to request Rupesh Desai to please do the honors for the first semi-finalist, that is Tiger Boy Surla. 10,000 as well as trophy to Tiger Boy Surla. Followed by, I would like to request Mr. Shubham Kerkar to please do the honors for Sanirama Arpora. A trophy as well to Sanirama Arpora. Any member, if available, then please come and collect the award. Yes. Sanirama Arpora, 10,000 plus trophy to Sanirama Arpora. Next we move on to the man of the match of the semi-final. Rajesh Gowde. Rajesh Gowde to please come and collect his award from the hands of Sanjay Rathod. Sanjay Rathod will give the award to Rajesh Gowde. Man of the match in the semi-final, 2. Brilliant batting by Rajesh Gowde earns him the man of the match award. Brilliant batting performance. Next we move on to the man of the final. Again Rajesh Gowde is the man of the final with 43 runs of 24 deliveries, 3 boundaries and 4 maximums. I would like to request Subodh Adfarkar to please do the honours. Young Giara will present the award to Rajesh Gowde for his batting of 43 in 24 deliveries. 3 boundaries and 4 maximums. Next we have the best fielder of the competition. Best fielder of Collingwood Champions Trophy. It's Aryan Vengurlekar. Aryan Vengurlekar. Aryan Vengurlekar from the Naibag. I would like to request Abhipray Sonkar to please do the honours for the best fielder. Aryan Vengurlekar of Barazan Boys, Naibag. Brilliant catching and some really good outfielding that he did. Next we move to the best batsman with 116 runs. Rajesh Gowde is the best batsman of Yash Boys Mandram. I would like to request Pratik Desai to please do the honours for the best batsman of Collingwood Champions Trophy powered by Awesome Boys. Rajesh Gowde with 116 runs in the entire competition earns him the best batsman. Thank you very much. Now moving on to the best bowler. 7 wickets with a very healthy economy. Jayesh Gadekar is the best bowler. I would like to request Rupesh Desai to please present this award. Thank you very much. Next we move on to man of the series. Now I would like to request Subodh Adfarkar along with all other 3 dignitaries, Shubham Kerkar, Rupesh Desai and Pratik along with Abhipray Sonkar to please present this award. Man of the series, the MVP of Collingwood Champions Trophy. Rohit Mandrekar, 94 runs and 7 wickets is the man of the series. Come on, Rohit. Rohit, yes, done with the call. Come on, quickly. Come on, Rohit. 94 runs and 7 wickets in the entire competition earns him the man of the series. We'll collect the man of the series award from all our dignitaries present today for this grand finale. the Kalangood Champions Trophy MVP, man of the series, Rohit Mandrekar. 94 runs and 7 wickets. Followed by the last two, that is the runners-up. Barazan Boys Naibag will come and receive the trophy. Firstly, the captain to please come and receive the trophy along with the cash prize. Barazan Boys Naibag, captain, followed by the entire team for a quick photograph. Entire team to please come quickly for a photograph. The runners-up, Barazan Boys Naibag, displayed some brilliant cricket on the first day. They were the winners in that second quarter-final. Mandram. Entire support staff to please come and receive the trophy along with all our dignitaries present for this grand finale.